Today I'm going to teach you how to reset your Roblox password in case you've lost access to your account. If this video is helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. First, go to roblox.com/login. Once you're on the page, click Forgot Password or Username. On this screen, you can enter your Roblox username, your email, or your phone number. In this example, I'll type my Roblox username and click Next. After that, you need to enter the email or phone number that's linked to your account. Once you type your email or phone number, click Next again. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email. So now, go to your email inbox and check if the code has arrived. The 6-digit code just arrived in my email, so I'll copy it, go back to the Roblox website, paste the code, and press Enter. Now you can create a new password for your account. Type the new password you want to use, then click Update Password. And that's it. You've regained access to your account with a brand new password.